When the water shuts off, you can hear a thud and then a pipe vibrating in the wall. That is water hammer. Okay, so these are the water hammer arrestors specifically for a washing machine that I purchased. And I think they're about $10 a piece, so $20 for the job, not super cheap, but if it can keep your pipes in good shape and prevent a pipe burst and water running down your walls, I think they're well worth the investment, in addition to just the noise control, which is really the primary objective here. The silver part is actually what does the arresting. So there's a rubber gasket in there and then air behind it. So when a large amount of pressure comes back into the line or from anywhere, this would be the washing machine, or excuse me, this bottom part would be the washing machine, or it could even come from somewhere else in the line. It can expand that cushion and really dampen the noise and prevent your pipes from shaking and causing that banging noise. So up here is where I have my water connection, pretty simple hot and cold, and this should fit on pretty easily, straight up and down, although the direction doesn't really matter. It will work in any orientation. I think up and down is just the cleanest and easiest here. So I'm going to shut off the water here. Thankfully there are valves on those connections, and get it switched over. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to shut off the water. And as always, I know where the backup water shut off for the whole house is if we had a problem and needed to go there. Okay, I just grabbed pliers to loosen that up, and now I can get it with my hand. We'll just lay this down and cement the floor. If any water drains out, it's not a big deal. And we'll get the hot side off here. So now that I have both of those off, it's time to put the new valve on. So I'm just going to take a rag and dry off the connections so we don't get any extra leakage through there. And then this arrestor should just go straight in, and then I can tighten up this this piece here and give it a snug it up with the pliers. Okay, that took both hands, but I got the first connection fitted on there and then tightened up with the pliers, and now I'm going to work on the hose line. Okay, the hot water is connected, so now we just need to repeat on the cold water side. And quickly, one item I forgot to mention, these arrestors come with a rubber gasket in the primary connection back there, and then our hoses have a rubber gasket here, so there's no need for anything else to seal these up. And then I'll make a quick plug for having metal hoses. If you're in a situation like I am, where you have high water pressure, you should really invest in metal hoses, because the weakest link fails. And here, if we had a rubber hose that blew out, there's a drain a couple of feet away, so it wouldn't be a big deal, but still wouldn't be something you want to have to deal with. So metal hoses will keep your house safe and sound. Okay, so I have both connections on here. While I was tightening them up, I did just have to make a little bit of an effort to keep them straight up and down for aesthetic purposes, and so that they can live there next to each other. So next step, we're going to turn the water back on and make sure we don't have any leaks. So the hot water is fine. And the cold water's already filled up the pipe there before I even get it on. Don't see anything, so it looks fine. All those connections are tight. So we'll come back here and turn the machine on. Quick wash, 26 minutes just to make sure it works. All right, and you heard a little bit of air there, but it is filling, and then when it gets done filling and shuts off the water, we will not have any more banging pipes throughout the house. Thanks for watching.